Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to make all these type of corners here in InDesign. And of course I'm going to start off with the rounded one because that's what most of you want. So here's the rounded one, and we're going to take just from a regular object and make that happen. So let me just set these guys on the side. Alright, and we're going to get started with your regular corner. Let me just take this out and zoom in slightly. So the very first thing you guys have to do, if you guys have any text within it, just make sure it's not grouped, okay? Or whatever this is with, don't have it grouped, or just make sure that one object is selected and only that one object that you guys want to make that corner rounded, all right? So after that, just go right into object. So up here, just click on object, and down here below, we will see corner options. Let's just click right there. Now we should see this window pop up. All right, and this window, you guys will see all the options for all the corners that I just showed you right now. So first of all, let's just make the rounded one, which is our very last option down here. Okay, and we're gonna make that rounded corner right now. So as you guys can see, it already made that rounded corner. As long as you guys have this check mark for preview, you guys can see how rounded it is. Then you guys can make it more and more rounded just by clicking here, and we can make it very, very rounded. As you guys will see, made all the corners rounded. Okay, if you guys just want to make one corner rounded, well, that's really easy to do as well. Right here, you guys will see this. Just click on here, and then let's say you guys want to make this corner different, this corner different, this corner different. If I zoom out, you guys will see that only one corner is rounded right here in InDesign. Now this goes with everything. Really, if you guys want all the corners to be the same, just make sure to click right here and they're all gonna be the same. All right, and we do have all these options, so you guys can go fancy, bevel, inset, this, and obviously rounded, which is what I started off with, because most of you are here just for that type of corner. So I'm gonna go over fancy right now. So that's fancy. Then we can go over bevel. Then we can go over inset. Then this guy, reverse, okay, inverse, rounded, and then rounded. All right, so those are all the options you guys have. Just click on OK, and you are all done. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.